Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to each and every one of you out there. Thank you for coming back to my channel. And today we're doing a delicious, what do you call them? I'll tell you, I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie. Let's get started. Let's get right into it. These are the ingredients that I will be using for our eggs. Once again, guys, I appreciate you coming to my channel and I hope you're enjoying the recipes. So the term deviled eggs actually comes from an old culinary term called devlin, D-E-V-I-L-I-N-G, which refers to the process of preparing food with spices and zesty seasonings, and the yolk mixture with mustard, pepper, or other bold spices, paprika, and often cayenne pepper to give it that high spice, that spiciness to it, and other ingredients to suit local tastes. I used a little bit of vinegar in the water. What the vinegar does in the water is it draws the egg away from the shell while it's inside the shell, which allows you to crack the shell and roll it, and it will just come right off for you. This is Flavor Foodie. I'm Mike G. I hope you're enjoying the recipes. We got some more tasty recipes coming your way very soon in this new year. So I've already boiled my hard-boiled eggs. And you can add whatever your taste buds is or whatever ingredients is that you have on hand that you'd like to add to it. So as you can see, I am getting the yolk out of each one of these hard-boiled eggs, and I'm going to make this a blend, a mixture, so that we could fill our eggs with the yolk and turn it into something good and delicious. This is a recipe that's so simplified, and you can do it. It's not that difficult at all. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell. These tasty little appetizers are actually great, and here we have the playoffs and the Super Bowl coming soon. This will be an added attraction to all those hot wings that you enjoy, along with other different treats that we may serve during that time of year for these type of games and events and holidays. So here's the ingredients that I'll be using, guys. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can get the recipes as they come out, as the new videos drop. You can get them. Remember, I'm on the shorts as well as I'm on the video here, so don't forget to visit me on the shorts. Too much vinegar or too much salt clashes with the sweetness if you're going to use sweet relish. The other thing is, if you put too much vinegar into it, you cannot remove it, and it goes pretty much south on you. Too much salt will clash with the sweetness of the relish. You will lose that flavor as well. And I'll leave the ingredients down in the description box for you. It's a very simple recipe. You can do this. You can serve this any time of the year, at your barbecues, your Super Bowl games. You'll see them on your table throughout the holiday. This is going to be very tasty and very delicious. I'm going to add a tablespoon of relish because I want that sweetness. I'm using sweet relish, and I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream just to make it a little bit more creamy. I didn't add too much. A half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to use some Valentino spice that's actually mixed with a little bit of pepper, lime, and it's going to heighten the mustard a little bit. I'm not going to use vinegar in this. You can use vinegar, mustard to get that zing that I'm trying to get. Valentina, it's really good. It adds a zest to the food. So I infused these eggs with some goodness. It's got a delicious flavor. So I had some old icing cake pipe bags I'm going to use. I'm going to have a little fun with this. You can have fun with it. I'm going to pipe this out of this cake icing bag. You can use a plastic bag if you don't have one of these. I was going to use a plastic bag, but I found this, and so I'm going to use this to try to be a little decorative with it, have some fun. You don't really have to use a lot of liquids to make this dish. It don't look like a whole lot, but it will fill the whites of the egg with just this amount of mixture. It's creamy, it's tasty, it's not too salt. It has a nice tart, but it also has a sweetness that balances out the tart, so you're not getting a real tart. And this is the thing I say about the vinegar, because the vinegar, if you put too much vinegar, you can't take that out. I'm going to put a little bit of jalapeno pepper on top of one of them. I'm going to put some olives in one. I'm going to put some, or rather 3 of them, and we'll put some more jalapeno pepper. This is a very delicious appetizer. So I put a couple olives on here, make it decorative. We get a whole sitting of these, fam, especially when they're good. I'd like to know your suggestions that you can add to the dish or recipe. I'd love to hear from you. You can leave a comment, and don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think about the recipe, and share your recipes to give some new ideas so somebody out there that might want to know how to make this a much better appetizer. I got a little bit of parsley. We'll deck it out, make it attractive, and we'll put some paprika and put a little bit of paprika in there. You can also add a little cayenne if you're that spicy and your guests like spicy foods as well. You can make some spicy and some just with the paprika on it. So we're gonna plate these up. I'll come right back at you. Don't you dare go nowhere. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie, and you are about to be flavorized. Now, don't that look delicious? That's twice as nice and double delicious. What a treat to have on a game day, along with those buffalo wings. I'd like to have some of that. So these are my angel eggs. We got a little jalapenos on some of them. We got some dill on some. We have some olives on some of them. And we have some parsley on some of them. Flat leaf parsley, that is. And they look very delicious. I'm going to try mine. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, fam, just know that I'm never tired. It's just that my time has expired. And this has been Flavor Foodie. I'm Mike G. And you, until next time, have been flavorized. Hey, fam, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the video. Until next time, peace, God bless, and much love.